Are you a professional nail technician or are you a motivated amateur? I'm Megan with WTI and I definitely fall into the second category, but whichever category you fall into, you probably agree that having the right tools like this glass nail file set from BONA FIDE Beauty makes all the difference. I found that these glass files are super gentle on my nails while yet being very strong and very effective. I don't need to apply a lot of pressure while using these files. Just a light grazing across my nails is more than enough to do the trick. I usually go for a rounded shape with my nails, so I really appreciate having the curved nail file. I really find that it does most of the work for me. I also really love it for pedicures since those little tiny toenails can be really hard to shape and they feel really far away sometimes. I find the size and shape of it really easy for me to hold on to, and it makes me feel like I have a lot of control. I feel much more confident and equipped with my at-home manicures with this glass nail file set from BONA FIDE Beauty. But that's just my point of view.